Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to add three fractions with different denominator. The denominator here is 5, here it is 3, and here it is 6. You can see that the denominators are different. So we have to find a way to make them the same. And one way you can do that is to find their LCD. Now starting with the first denominator, which is 5, you write 5, then you write the 5 times table. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 10, 5 times 3 15, 5 times 4 20, 5 times 5 25, 5 times 6 30. Let me stop here. Move on to the second denominator, which is 3. You write the 3 times table. 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15. When you see a common number, you should stop. 3 times 6, 18, 3 times 7, 21, 3 times 8, 24, 3 times 9, 27, 3 times 10, 30. I've seen a common number which is 30, that was why I stopped. Move on to the third denominator, which is 6. You write it. You write the 6 times table. 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. Now, even though this 12 and this 12, they are common, but there is no 12 here, so I cannot stop at 12, and I will continue. 6 times 3, that will be 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. You see, you can see that we have 30 here, we have 30 here, and we have 30 here. That means that 30 is common. So you write LCD equals to 30. Okay, it's as simple as that. So now that we know the LCD, let me just erase this part so that I can have space to continue this calculation quickly. Now, you start with the first denominator. What will you do to this 5 so that it will become 30? 5 times what number will give 30? That should be times 6. So you come here, you do times 6. Then you go to the top and do the same thing, which is times 6. Then you move to the second denominator, which is 3. 3 times what number will give 30? I think it should be times 10. So you write times 10 here. What you do to the denominator of a fraction, you must do the same thing to the numerator. So I'll go up and also do times 10. Then you move on to the third denominator, which is 6. 6 times what number will give 30? That should be times 5. So you write times 5 here. Then you go to the top and also do the same thing, which is times 5. Then you multiply. 2 times 6, that will give you 12, over 5 times 6, that gives you 30, plus 1 times 10, that is 10, over 3 times 10, that is 30, plus 5 times 5, that is 25, over 6 times 5, that is 30. Then you add the numerator together. So you do 12 plus 10, which is 22. Then 22 plus 25, that will give you what? 47. So we have 47 over the denominator. Now you write only one denominator, which is 30. 30 is carrying a number that is bigger than itself, so we have to write 47 over 30 as a mixed number. To do that, draw the division symbol. Inside, you write 47, then you put your 30 here. How many times can 30 go into 47? 30 will go 1. 30 times 1, that will give you what? That will give you 30. Write it here. Then you subtract. 7 minus 0 is 7. 4 minus 3 is 1. This 17 that is the remainder, you write it as a numerator, 17, over the denominator in this fraction, which is 30. So the final answer is one whole number, 17, over 30. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.